Hi, my name is Tony and I'm the inventor of the HairFin. A few years ago I grew my hair out, and in order to get an even cut I knew that I needed some way of measuring it, but I couldn't just do it with a measuring tape. What I really needed was some kind of measuring tool that I could mount to my hand that would leave my fingers free so that I could grasp my hair at the base and pull it straight while sliding the guide into place. And then I'd be able to cut my hair evenly all over again. The HairFin is perfect for home hair cutters. The kit comes with 2, 3, and 4-inch sizes so that you can do a multitude of haircuts. It's great for adults and children. Even my friend's toddler sat down for a HairFin haircut because it looks like a cool shark's fin. Now, because the HairFin lets you do 2 things at the same time, it does require some practice to get used to. So here are a few tips. The first most important thing is to make sure that you have the HairFin mounted correctly. You want to make sure that this rounded part is facing towards the tips of your fingers, and you want to slide it all the way down to the base between your index and middle fingers. The top part of it should be just above your knuckles, and the bottom part of the grip should be resting underneath the palm of your hand. With the grip in the right position, your fingers should be free to grasp hair, and the grip should be stable. Once you have the fin mounted correctly, you can practice getting it into the right position. We've rounded the front part of the fin so that you can keep the fin out of the way while you have your hand at an angle to grasp hair. And then as you straighten your hand while pulling hair straight, you can slide the guide into place. The guide is in the correct position when it's perpendicular to the haircut recipient's head. Once you have it in the right position, then you can trim the hair above the HairFin, knowing that you're going to get an even cut. Now, self haircuts add a whole extra level of difficulty because you have to coordinate doing everything yourself in the mirror. So if you've never cut your own hair before using a mirror, we recommend getting some help from a friend for your first haircut. Now, once you get the hang of using the HairFin, you'll be able to cut hair faster while keeping it even. The HairFin lets me and other home hair cutters achieve something we simply couldn't without it. Now, we manufacture the HairFin here in our hometown of Derby, Connecticut, so that we can deliver to you a high-quality product while also supporting our community. So if you're looking for a reliable way to cut longer hair evenly, give the HairFin a try.